Hi there and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Raluca. In today's video I wanted to do a look with this Revolution Forever Flawless palette in Birds of Paradise because they have plenty of different shade ranges to choose from. And it looks something like this. I used it for one of my Halloween looks, but I really wanted to test it out in a regular look, let's say, not a Halloween look. So this is what I came up with. But before we get started with the tutorial, make sure that you are subscribed, and if you want to see how I did this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, I have my green smoothie here and I'm ready to get to work. I really was excited to use this. Beauty again, so colorful, it inspires me a lot. But today I want to use these green tones combined with the oranges. So I have my lid already primed. I used just a little bit of concealer on my lid. I just have to blend it out because it creased a bit. Let me start with my transition. Yeah, I think I'll do that. And I will take the shade Budgie here, the cutest shade ever. And this is a Morphe M506 brush. I'm going to take it on my brush, dust off the excess so it doesn't fall on my face, because obviously my face is already done. And I will use it on my outer corner and crease area. I mean, the pigment is not that strong, but you can definitely build it up. That's what I'm doing. I'm dipping back into the pan and building up the intensity of the color. That can be beneficial, let's say, for a beginner, because it's a little bit easier to blend. You can just build it up however you want to. Yeah, definitely pretty easy to blend, not as pigmented as I expected, but definitely buildable. I'm not sure what I want to do on my lower lash line yet, so I think I'm going to leave it like this for now. I'm just extending a little bit in my outer corner. You can see I can really diffuse it. Since it's not that pigmented, it's really easy to diffuse and blend. To darken up my crease a little bit, I'm going to take the shade Jungle here, and this is a Morphe M507 brush. This is similar to the previous shade but a little bit darker, and I think it's going to help me intensify my outer corner, especially here. But again, I'm kind of dipping back into the shade to build up the pigmentation that I want. And then I'm going to take my previous brush and just blend the edges a little bit. As my lid color, I'm going to pick up the shade Token Play. It's this light orange color. This is a Makeup Addiction smudge brush. Guess I'm not using it right. Whatever. I'm going to stamp the color on my lid. Definitely need more pigment. I'm really dipping back into the pan and building it up. And I'm just stamping it. And then with my crease brush, I'm going to go over this edge to blend it. On this other eye, I apply the shade Cardinal, this one, because I really want it to be a little bit more of an intense orange, and I feel like this one is giving me what I want. This one is a little bit too sheer, maybe too light of a color. So I'm gonna pick it up on the same brush and then just stamp it over the previous orange. And again, blending the edge. I want the shade to go between the orange and the green. I cannot speak English today. And I picked the shade Fiesta here. I'm going to take it on my finger, and this feels like a cream shadow, and I think it is. It's definitely very creamy. And I'm just gonna use it right here in between these two shades. So this is kind of a transition. Okay, for my inner corner, I'm going to pick up this yellow shade here called Canary. And this is a Morpheum 506, the other one that I have. Dusting up the excess and placing that into my inner corner here. Love that. For my lower lash line, I will be taking the shade Adventure, this purple here. And I'm taking it on a flat brush like this. And I will just apply it mainly in the outer corner. Again, I kind of need to build it up a little bit. I'm dipping back into the pan and just picking up some more. And just fade it towards the center of my lower lid. And with my Morpheum 149, I'm just going to blend it a little bit so it doesn't look as harsh. This is a nice combination, isn't it? But I am going to add a wing liner as well, since the colors are so light that I feel like my eyes are not, how do you say it? They just don't pop, you know? And I kind of need something dark near my lash line to intensify my eyes. Before I do my wing liner, I want to apply a light color on my waterline, and I'm going to use this NYX Faux Whites pencil in the shade Vanilla. It's pretty yellowy, looks something like this. So I'm just going to line my waterline with it. Okay, now let's do that wing liner. I'm going to use this Sephora Collection brush tip liquid liner, and let's see how that goes. Now I'm filling it in. I'm always doing the wing liner with my eyes open, so I can see how the shape will look. I applied it all the way to my inner corner. I should probably do an inner corner wing as well. I'm going to apply some mascara and false lashes off camera to tie the whole look together. Lashes are on, they complete the look beautifully. To match this look, I'm going to do a nude lip, but I think I'm going to go for a warm nude. Actually, I'm going to do my nude combination. I'm going to use the NYX lip pencil in the shade Nude Beige, and then my Fenty gloss. This is in the shade Fussy. I really love this combo, it looks so natural on my lips. Overlining in the center as usual. Okay, now applying my Fenty gloss. And this is the finished look. I really hope you like how it came out. If you do and you enjoyed watching today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up down below and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already, of course. And I'm just going to go on with my day doing, I don't know what, probably editing something, I don't know. I really hope you're having an amazing day. I want to thank you so much for watching today's video, and I hope I'll see you in my next one. Bye!